Hello everyone, this is Joe and I am here to shop. What am I looking for is for coffee, but I only see some dumb clothes around this dumb mall.
Pardon me sir, do you have more of these? This one has an ripped off cap on it.
Pardon me, I don't work here, young boy. You better leave here or I'll pound you. Run bitch run.
I hate you, fat guy.
This is like kind of a boring store and don't want to go here. What the fuck is this, soldier?
They're binoculars, don't you know what they are?
Look here, you penny piece of shit, I'm tired of you always selling me crap. Where are the good services going? Don't know.
You have to pay for that, sir.
Don't I have no money?
No money? What the fuck, man? You better get out of here, man.
I just want my cup of coffee. Yo man, give me some donuts in the flash, man.
You want donuts?
Yes, I said I wanted donuts, so give me them.
You need to pay to get the donuts or you'll be leaving here.
But sir, I have no money, I want my donuts.
Well then sir, no donuts for you, plus you're getting on my last nerve.
I want my donuts now.
Alright, here's semicolon S your donuts sir, please don't hurt me.
Thanks for the free donuts, sir. Well, it was about time to get out of that stupid mall. There will be no good service these days. There's my car, now let's start driving this hole.